welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm basically just doing a get ready with me. I'm getting ready to do a photo shoot. I'm gonna start off by pulling my hair back. Brows. I've been brushing my brows up with this Sweet Edge Control. They're already brushed up and shaped. I can do a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. And I'm basically just gonna fill in my brows like this. So I guess like as I'm getting ready, like I can talk to y'all and like, you know, get y'all hip to like what I've been up to. I am, first of all, I got my AirPods in, so I'm jamming. 7:02, I'm listening to the theme song to Cousin Skeeter. This shit, let's go. This is my shit. But anyway, I had a quality upgrade when it came to my equipment for YouTube. And it really inspired me to, you know, start making videos again. So this is what I'm doing. And like, you know, get my Instagram together. I'm currently working on a project. So like a mixtape, EP type thing. It's in its baby stages though. So it's gonna be a while before it comes out, but I am working on new music for y'all, so the music will be coming. I'm using a little bit of this Naked Skin, and I'm gonna go like bang, bang, put some up here. And then we're gonna add a little more color into it with this darker concealer by Tarte. I use these two together. So now just sculpting them out. So like, how has like the coronavirus, this whole situation like played out for you guys? Like, I'm really interested to know. Luckily, nobody I'm close to got sick, so that's a huge blessing. Like the boredom, like it gets hard, but I'm just honestly extremely blessed that I have my health and I have my family and my close friends. Everybody's healthy, everybody's happy basically right now. But I'm excited for holiday season that's coming up, and I'm excited for all the content I'm making for y'all. Instagram, YouTube, Loom. Loom is a new app that I got on that I'm gonna be putting all my new music on Loom. So first exclusively, like, you know, the same thing you would usually do with SoundCloud. I'm gonna post on Loom first, and then I'll probably post on SoundCloud after that. But I'm putting on foundation now. This is a very beat up bottle of Becca Illuminating Coverage Complexion Foundation. Putting this on with a motor brush. And I have old footage of me going to a motor brush event, because it was a cool event. I just didn't edit it because I didn't like the footage, I didn't like the quality. But everything's not always about quality. Everything's not always about quality in the social media world, at least. It's about quantity, to be honest. But I feel like it's a thin line when it comes to that. Like, if my camera quality isn't gonna be top tier, then I probably would want my editing to be top tier. My skin look good. Okay, skin, my skin look real good. Y'all need to tap into my morning skincare routine, because that's what I just did. And Hunty is glowing. I'm so corny. I'm going back in with the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. Concealer under my eye. This is the Juvia's Place foundation, and I'm gonna just contour with it. Really light contour, just because the top of my head is darker than the rest of my face. It's not the darkest contour. I like this color just to warm me up a little. And then I'll come in, y'all see in a second. So this will warm up my forehead, like the perfect color. And then we got it on the sides. Now I'm gonna contour my cheeks with this Pacifica concealer. And this one's much darker, so it'll give me more of a, okay, we're moving along. So now I'm gonna just do some real basic but pretty eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with this Boss Lady and contour, and this is the Adeline Moore palette when she collabed with Tarte. And I'm gonna just go in and just give myself a little tiny bit of color, just so I can go take these pictures. Okay, now I think I want to just do some real. Maybe I could just bring this down a little bit. Yeah, let's just bring this down. Okay. Now I have these lashes. These were not my first choice. I actually got some really much nicer lashes at this other beauty supply store, but the girl just forgot that. She forgot to like scan it and put it in my bag, so that was a fail. So I had to get these, you know, the cheapy cheap lashes that were at the store that I had access to last minute. So on my second video. Yeah, I can't never get the lashes on the first time. I always gotta do it like twice, like traditionally. These actually look really nice. Okay, so now I'm moving on to mascara. This is the Milk Makeup Mascara. Okay, cute. We are almost done. I'm feeling it. Back into Adeline's palette, and I'm just going to get some blush. A little bit. By the way, Adeline Morin is my favorite YouTuber. She inspires me a lot, so shout out to her. No, this Entanglement song ain't come on by freaking August Alsina. I have AirPod in. Oh, I touched it and it just changed it. I was about to change it anyway, but look at God. I'm going to my handy dandy Carly Bible. I'm going to just do a little highlight. A little light highlight. Do people even do highlight anymore? Alright, the look is pretty much complete. Yo, does anybody else's Fenty lip gloss explode like all the time? The last one I had didn't do this. I think it just might be this one I got. I don't have time. Can't finish the look without some Fenty. Take some rose water and, you know, set this. For your look to stay like all night, I would use the All Nighter setting spray by Urban Decay, but I just kind of want everything to melt together, so I'm gonna spray some rose water. But my experience with this, like, this is only for a couple hours. Like, don't expect to go out on the town and have a full day with setting your makeup with this, because this is not gonna do it. I just like that it like melts everything together for like the shoot that I have to do right now, you know? So that's it for makeup. Moving on to hair. So I'm currently wearing a wig. I will link where this is from. So I'm gonna quickly throw some curls in here because we are losing sun. So now I'm just taking some Gatsby. Period. I'm just ready to mine. I don't even know what to do. Hold on. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm like, not my makeup. Okay. We're back. I'm okay. I'm okay. Good thing I put on my disposable contacts instead of the monthly ones, because that would have been a waste. Alright, y'all, so this is the complete get ready with me hair and makeup. I'm about to just go take these pictures, so if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Oh, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see y'all in my next video. Alright, love y'all.